What's up everybody, Mike Gross here again to intro another playlist. This one's from Dockweiler Beach. It was filmed on Sunday a week ago. I'm actually going to keep this kind of short because I'm going out to a different beach today to work on the next thing. So here we go. The first video is Straight Beach Homie. A little play on Randy Moss's Straight Cash Homie. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a clear view of the beach. I just sit there and get soaked when waves come up and enjoy the view. Moving right along to the second video is called Rocks at the Beach. You can guess what that is. It's just a different view. You get to see the waves hitting the rocks and water rolling over, but it's pretty similar to the first video. The third one in the set is the one I'm most excited about. It's called Crab Cavern, and basically what I did was I put the camera just down into a thing of rocks and face it downward mostly at an angle, and went away. So I just wanted to see the cool tide waters come up, and they were kind of rivering through back down, and I thought it would be a great view of that, and it was. But what I didn't expect was these crabs to come out. I swear over half the video you see at least one crab in frame. It's cool because you'll see them hiding, and then you see that movement, and all of a sudden, boom, crab on the screen. I don't know, man. For me, it's super awesome. I hope you enjoy it too. So yeah, let me know on that. The next video is called, Hey, check out this wall at the beach. And it's very self-explanatory. This little beach wall that I walked up to turned out to be like a mini pier. I'm guessing that's what it was used as in the past, but it barely goes out into the water at all. So could have been something else too. But I thought it just made for a cool visual. And so that's it. Wall at the beach. Moving on, the next video is called Hiding Behind Rock, keeping with the very self-explanatory theme. Really, this wasn't quite what I wanted to do with this one. I should have turned the camera a little bit more away from the water. I wanted it to look like you were looking out from the rocks and you'll see the water whoosh by. It kind of just blocked, the rock kind of just blocked my camera from the ocean. But I still kind of like the video. I don't know, it just gives kind of a different look, like you're hiding behind a rock. Next we have Straight Beach Homie 2. As you can guess, it's pretty much exactly the same as Beach Homie 1, so check that out. And then the final video in the set is called Waves from a Puddle Under a Rock. And again, that's exactly what it is. There was this cluster of rocks, and it kind of goes out, so I put the camera on the bottom in this little puddle, and I just thought that was cool. There's a little sandhill from your vantage point where you can't quite see the waves come up unless they are going to clear that hill. And it takes a couple minutes to get into, so if you're not going to watch the whole 10 minutes or so, I would start a couple minutes in. But when you finally do see the water just coat the sand coming over the hill, it's so beautiful in my opinion. And then eventually it just kind of sinks back into the sand slowly. I don't know. I like that kind of stuff. You can let me know if you do. Give me all that feedback. Let me see those comments. You can rip me if you want or praise me, whatever you want. I just want to get better. So let me know. And at this point, I'd like to do a quick shout out because we got our first positive comment this week from Josie P. She says, I like this direction for you. I look forward to watching your videography skills improve. Me too, Josie. Thank you so much. I hope you continue to watch. I hope you all enjoy this playlist, and I'll see you soon.